Here we go. Here's another problem, how to multiply a rational expression. Same thing, you want to factor first, cross cancel, and then exclude the values that would make the denominator 0. Not much to factor here except for this numerator here, this k squared plus 5k minus 24. Okay, so that is, there's no GCF to take out, so it's just, we're going to unfoil it. Alright, so to get k squared, I know that this has to be k and this has to be k. Alright, so now to find out, I need to find what are factors of negative 24 that add up to a 5. That will be a positive 8 and a minus 3. And with a quick mental math of multiplying, I can see that is correct, factored correctly. Alright, so now this is where I'm going to start cross-canceling. Okay, can't diagonally, cannot cross-cancel there. K plus 7 is not there, but I do see that k minus 3 and k minus 3, those can cancel. One's in the numerator, one's in the denominator. Alright, so now I'm just going to multiply across. I'm going to take this 1, take it times k plus 8. Multiply across, I just get k plus 8. And then the denominator will be k minus 7 times, remember we canceled out the k minus 3 and that's also a 1. So k plus 7 times 1 is k plus 7. Alright, we will accept all values of k except for k cannot be negative 7 because that would make the denominator 0.